What's up, YouTube? I am back at it again. And as you already know by the title, my last vlog attempt didn't have sound because of this little cord on my selfie stick. So, yeah. It sucked. I am currently pissed right now. Watching Arrow. No copyright. I didn't show the TV, did I? Yeah, no, I didn't. I gotta pause it so I don't get any copyright issues. So, yeah. I am currently in my hallway because I like being in hallways. If you don't know my Twitter and Instagram, actually I don't have Twitter. Just go follow me on Instagram at touchsoldier17. I will give you. I'll put it down in the description below, and you can just do whatever you want to do. Please watch my vlogs, man. They're lit every day. Not really, I don't have, but still, watch my vlogs, subscribe, comment down below if you think I should continue vlogging. Because right now, let me show you something. I don't even have a vlog camera. I'm on my phone. I'm on my phone, bro. So yeah, comment down below what you think about my channel. Like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.